Hey guys, it's been quite long since I uploaded anything, but now that my exams are all done, I'm finally able to get some time for this. I want to start my own brand identity agency. Do I know how to run one? No. Before I start with anything, I feel like I've missed a lot in my graphic designing skills in general, so here's what I plan on doing. Firstly, I'm starting daily sketching for just getting good at drawing. I don't want to aim on becoming a fine artist, but I want my sketching skills to be good enough so that if I want to present any of my concepts to my clients, I can draw those out with ease, as well as I have some confidence in my lines. Next is making some posters. So recently I've come across a good graphic designer, and he had this challenge of creating posters with just using one point size and one font weight. I'll share the link in the description. I feel like it's a really good exercise to improve your composition skills. So that's what I'm gonna aim for, at least for this week. What I've noticed is if I aim for too much, I end up doing nothing. So what I've decided is that I'll start with little and I'll increase my workload as time passes. I'll share some links in the description for getting familiar with sketching, as well as the future playlist for typography, so you guys can start with something till I improve my methods of sharing. So that's all for now, at least. See you guys next time.